All right, I want to show you a feature in ConvertKit that I had to make use of recently. And this has happened to me in the past. I'm sure if you send emails to a lot of people, I'm sure it's probably happened to you. And so I made the mistake of messing up the link. So the link didn't work, it was a broken link. And fortunately, within a few minutes, someone responded and let me know. And it's funny because sometimes you'll have like a crazy typo or like something crazy and no one will say anything. So anyway, fortunately someone let me know. And so I was able to do two things. One, I was able to just come in here and actually edit the link even after the email had already been sent, which I've never used the feature before, but I've always thought it would be useful to be able to do that. So I was able to do that, and then for the handful of people who did make or who did click on it and it didn't work for them, I was able to just send them an email directly instead of emailing the whole list again. I was if you hadn't clicked on it, then you wouldn't have even known that anything was wrong. So I re-emailed the people who did click on it for whom it didn't work, and so at the end of the day, it wasn't a big deal, and so you know, largely because of this feature, and then of course because it's easy to um, tag your subscribers based off of what they clicked in the email or whatever. So just wanted to share that real quick. Hopefully you found it useful. If you don't use ConvertKit, I highly recommend it. It's February 2022, but they've got some features on the way that I think will definitely put it over the top in terms of email marketing platforms. So anyway, more on that later. Peace.